Dear students, now we will going to discuss about book exercise and question and answers. Okay, so students, all of you take your book and take your pencil. So students, all of you take your book, page number 118, and take your pencil, students. Okay, the first question, book page number 118. First question, why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? The answer is, the athlete needs a lot of energy during the race, and for the release of energy, they need a lot of oxygen. Hence, they breathe faster and more profound than usual after finishing the race. The answer is, the athlete needs a lot of energy during the race. For the release of energy, they need lot of oxygen. Okay, the release of energy during the time, they need lot of oxygen. So, they breathe faster and more profound, usual after finishing the race. This is a answers. So, students, all of you write in your classwork note. Okay, this question, all of you write in your classwork note. Students, listen carefully. This question number 1, write in your classwork note is very must. Okay. Okay. Next question. List the similarities and the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. First solution, similarities. In both kinds of respiration, food particles are broken down to finer constituents. So, similarities, all of you should write in your classwork note. Students, listen carefully. Second question, similarities, all of you write in your classwork note. Okay. Then difference between, what is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respirations? Or you remember students? Book page number, all of you take your book page number 108 page number. What is the difference aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration? So all of you take your book page number, take your pencil. So all of you mark the answer. The answer is book page number 108 in your right side paragraph, second paragraph, the food is broke down in carbon dioxide and water using oxygen. Bracket the answer, students. The food is broken down into carbon dioxide and water using oxygen. When breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. Okay, aerobic respiration, this one answer. Then continue aerobic respiration equation. First you write aerobic respiration definition, then you write equation. Okay, can you understand? Next, anaerobic respiration. What is anaerobic respiration definition? All of you bracket the answer. Food can also be broken down without using oxygen. This is called anaerobic respiration. Breakdown of food releases energy. The answer is, all of you bracket the answer, students. The continue equation, third paragraph below the equation, glucose without the use of oxygen, alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Okay. Can you understand? Okay. All of you mark the answer, students. That is a aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So students, all of you should write, okay, in your classwork note question number 1. All of you should write in your classwork note question number 1. Then question number 2, similarities only you write in your classwork note. Okay, second question, similarities only write in your classwork note. Differentiate, aerobic and anaerobic differentiate. All of you should mark in your book. They did not write. Okay. They did not write aerobic and anaerobic respiration differentiation. All of you should write only similarities only you write in your classwork note. Okay. See the video and all of you write in your classwork note. Can you understand, students? Okay. Okay. Next we will go to discuss third question. Why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air? Dust-laden air. The answer is when we inhale dust-laden air. Dust irritates nose as reflexive action. Dust is thrown out through sneezing. Okay. So students, this question also all of you should write in your classwork note. Third question also all of you should write in your classwork note is very must. Question number 1 write. Question number 2 similarities only write. Question number 3 all of you should write in your classwork note. Okay. Next. Fourth question. Next we will go to discuss about fourth question. All of you see the video. All of you first see your book page number 118. Question number 4. Take 3 test tubes. Fill 3/4 of each with water. Label them A, B and C. Keep a snail in test tube A, a water plant test tube B, and in C. Keep snail and plant both. Which test tube would have the highest concentration of carbon dioxide? The answer is the test tube A will have highest concentration of carbon dioxide because test tube A will have snail which expels out CO2 into the tube. In tube C, there is a plant which will inhale CO2 to decrease CO2. Okay, concentration in the test tube C. Can you understand? So, this question also all of you should write in your classwork note. Fourth question also should write in your classwork note, students. Can you understand? Okay. Next, fifth question. All of you tick the correct answer. Okay, first question. In cockroaches, air enters the body through options: lungs, gills, spiracles, skin. The answer is, listen, first discuss the question. Then we will go to discuss answer. Okay, next second question. During heavy exercise, all of you see your book. During heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of carbon dioxide, lactic acid, alcohol, water. Next, third question. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is, first option 9 to 12, 15 to 18, 21 to 24, 30 to 33. Fourth question. During exhalation, the ribs move outwards, move downwards, move upwards, do not move at all. That is the questions. Now we will go to write the answers. First question. Cockroach air enters the body through? The answer is spiracles. All of you mark the answer. Second question. During heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of lactic acid. Third question. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest. The answer is S. 15 to 18. Next, fourth one. During exhalation, the ribs. The answer is exhalations. During exhalations, the ribs have move upwards or downwards? Yes, move downwards. The during inhalation, what is the movement of diaphragm? Ribs. What is the movement of diaphragm? Diaphragm of ribs? Yes, move upwards. That's all. Okay. But during exhalations, the ribs have move downwards. So the answer is move downwards. All of you mark the answer. Okay. Can you understand, students? Okay. Next, sixth question. Match the following. Column 1 and column 2. First discuss the question. Yeast, column 1. Yeast, diaphragm, skin, leaves, fish, frog. Okay. The answer is listen. The answer is yeast. The answer is alcohol. Diaphragm. Where it is located, diaphragm? Yes, the answer is chest cavity. Next is skin. The skin through the respiration. Which animal? Yes, earthworm and frog also through the respiration, through the skin. Okay, so the answer is earthworm. Then leaves. Plants respiration, already we learned plants respiration. Sorry, remember students? The leaves respiration through the stomata. So the answer is stomata. Next, fish. Fish respiratory organ? Yes, gills. The answer is gills. Frog. Already we learned frog. Skin and lungs. Moist skin and lungs. So the answer is lungs and skin. Can you understand? Okay. Next, true or false, students? Seventh question. True or false? All of you see your book 119. All of you mark the answers. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate of first question pa, listen the question carefully. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person slows down. The answer is false. All of you write the answer in your book near the question. Second question. Plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day and respiration only at night. The answer is false. All of you write the answer. False. Next, third one. Frogs breathe through their skins as well as their lungs. All of you see your book, students. Listen carefully. The answer is third one. True. Frogs breathe through their skins as well as their lungs. Yes, the answer is true. The frogs respiratory organ, skin and lungs. So the answer is correct. So true. Next, fourth one. The fishes have lungs for respiration. Is correct? No, it is a false. The fourth one answer is false. The fish's respiratory organ, gills. So the answer false. Next, fifth one. The size of the chest cavity increased during inhalation. The answer is true. Yes. During inhalation, the chest cavity is the larger in size. The chest cavity increase in size. So, The answer is true. Can you understand? Okay. Next, 8th question. Given below the square letters, the different words related to respiration in organisms. Okay. Okay, now we will go to discuss the answer, students. All of you take your pencil and mark the answer, students. Listen. Given the question below the box, all of you see the question. I will read the question, then I will read the answer. First, discuss question. All of you see your book, students. First question. The air tubes of insects. The air tubes of insects. The answer is, all of you should write the answer near the question. First, all of you should write the near the question. First, all of you should write the answer near the question. Okay, can you understand? So, students, all of you should write the answer first. Then, you mark the box. Okay, can you understand? Okay. First, write the answer, students. First question, the air tubes of insects. Yes, the answer is trachea. Right. Write down the answer, students. Trachea. Without spelling mistake. All of you should write the answer first. Then you mark the box. Okay. First should write the answer first. The air tubes of insects, trachea. Okay. Next, second question. Already we learned, or you remember, students? The air tubes of insects. Or you remember? Trachea, another name? Air tubes. Okay. Already we learned. Or you remember? Okay. Next, second one. Skeletal structures surrounding chest cavity. Skeletal structures surrounding chest cavity. The answer is ribs. All of you write the answer. Ribs. Next, third one. Muscular floor of chest cavity. Muscular floor of chest cavity. The answer is diaphragm. Next, fourth one. Fourth question, pa. All of you see the book. Tiny pores on the surface of leaf. Tiny pores on the surface of leaf. The answer is stomata. Next, fifth one. Small opening on the sides of the body of an insect. The answer is spiracles. Next, sixth one. The respiratory organs of human beings. Human beings' respiratory organs. Which one is the respiratory organ? Or you remember? Lungs. The answer is lungs. Next, seventh one. The openings through which we inhale. Which we inhale. Which open? The open name is? Yes, nostrils. The answer is nostrils. Then, eighth question. An anaerobic organisms. Anaerobic organism. Answer is yeast. Next, ninth one. An organisms with tracheal system. An organisms with tracheal system. The answer is ant. So, students, I hope to all write in your answers. Yes? Okay. Now, you mark the box. Okay. First you write the answers near the question. Then all of you mark the box. Okay. Can you understand? Okay, students. Next part. Ninth question. The mountaineers carry oxen with them because. Okay. The four options here. The mountaineers carry oxen with them because at an altitude of more than 5 km there is no air. Second option, the amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. Third option, the temperature of air is higher than that on the ground. Fourth option, the pressure of air is higher than that on the ground. The answer is the amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. So the answer is second option. Can you understand, students? Okay. Next, keywords. Listen carefully, students. All of you should write in your classwork note. Already I told question number 1 fully write in your classwork note. Then question number 2, aerobic and anaerobic respiration similarities only write in your classwork note. Second question, difference you mark the answer in your book. Okay, next third question, all of you write in your classwork note. Then fourth question, can you understand? Then fourth question also write in your classwork note. So question number 1, book back question number 1 and question number 2 similarities only. Then question number 3, then question number 4. Totally 4 questions all of you should write in your classwork note. So students, no need write in your 1 mark question and answers. No need write in your classwork note. Question number 5, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8, question number 9 also you need not write in your, no need write in your classwork note. Can you understand? So students, write only 4 questions. Okay. Okay. Then 4 questions. After you write keywords. Here, see the video. This keywords, aerobic respiration. In your book also here. Book page number. All of you mark the answer, students. Aerobic respiration. Already we marked the answer. Okay. Aerobic respiration. When breakdown of glucose occurs. All of you mark the answers. Book page number 108. When the breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Okay. Then continue the anaerobic respiration. Then breathing rate. Breathing rate. Book page number 110. Left side second paragraph. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is termed as the breathing rate. Then cellular respiration. Cellular respiration, the answer is 108. 108, the first paragraph. All of you mark the answer, students. Keywords answer. The process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. Okay. Next, diaphragm. The answer is page number 111, diaphragm. The chest cavity. How do we breathe? Paragraph. The chest cavity is surrounded by ribs on the sides. A large muscular sheet called diaphragm. That is the answer. Forms the floor of the chest cavity. That is the diaphragm answer. Page number 111, diaphragm. Next, exhalation. Exhalation, the answer is page number 109. Exhalation answer. Carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. Listen. Exhalation, the giving out of air. Mark the answer, students. Giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. Then, are you clear, students? Then gills. Dear students, then Gills. What is gills? Book page number 117 in blue box. In blue box here the answer gills. Ninth one point. In the fishes it takes place through the gills and insects through the trachea. So mark the answer gills. Then next one lungs. What is mean by lungs? Lungs is a human respiratory organs. That only you write the answer lungs. Anyone you write the answers lungs. Okay. Human respiratory system. You write the answer. Listen. Page number 111. The nasal cavity, air reaches our lungs through the windpipe. Lungs are present in the chest cavity. That only a correct answer. Lungs. Page number 111 students. Lungs answer. Page number 111. The nasal cavity, the air reaches our lungs through the windpipe. Lungs are present in the chest cavity. Okay. Next, inhalation. Students, next inhalation. Inhalation, page number 109. Listen carefully and mark the answer, students. All of you should write keywords. Already I told question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. Also write in your classwork note. Okay. No need write 1 mark answers. Okay. Okay. Inhalation students, the answer is 109. The last line, 109, last line, carbon dioxide is known as the inhalation. Inhalation, the answer is the taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body is called inhalation. Okay. Then next, spiracles. Spiracles, the answer is page number 115. The insects also have 115 cockroach. Okay. The insects also have similar opening. These openings are called spiracles. That is the answer, spiracles. Then trachea. Continue the answer. Page number 115. Insects have network of air tubes called trachea for gaseous exchange. That's all. Next, ribs. Next, the answer is ribs. Book page number human respiratory system. Human respiratory system students. Ribs. During inhalation, ribs move up and on downwards, diaphragm moves down. Answer is 111. 111 students. During inhalation, ribs move up and downwards and the diaphragm move down. Okay. Next, exhalation. The ribs move down inwards while diaphragm moves up and down from the position. That's all. Okay. That is the ribs. Okay. Can you understand, students? Students, should all of you write in your classwork note, book back, question number 1, question number 2, similarities only you write, then question number 3, then question number 4. Okay, all of you write in your classwork note. Then continue write the keywords. All keywords you write in your classwork note. That only you write. 4 questions, then keywords also write in your classwork note. No need write 1 more question and answers. Okay, can you understand, students? Okay, if you any doubt, you contact with me. Okay. Okay, thank you.